Super 73 R headlight in this box. This is what's coming up next. Let's get it on. Alright, so we got the Kanebilt headlight with the halo. I did order the little cage for it. Never know if anything's gonna hit it. And here we have the actual headlight. It's looking nice so far. I'll show you guys a quick setup and then we'll look at it together at the end. Stay tuned. Alright, so there's no instructions here, so we're just gonna have to figure out how it all goes together, but I'm sure it can't be too hard. Instructions would have been ideal, but I'm sure I can figure it out. So since I have the Super 73 R, this headlight comes with a battery pack, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it for now while I do the rest of the setup. So I just realized that the charger here indicates the red light means charging and the green light is charged. The green light, I'm assuming it's the light over here. There are 5 little lights over here, little dots, and those are lights, and they were all green, but I'm gonna go ahead and charge it some more and finish this job. And just wanted to show you guys I'm actually going off of this picture right here. So it doesn't look too hard. So this is what the arms look like on the light at first. We'll move on to the next step. So as we can see, there are 3 lines here on the arm for the headlight, and this other piece is gonna go here depending on the size of your fork. So this is what the arm looks like with one screw. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one on and try to finish this up. So here's a up close shot. This is how much space I am leaving between the brackets. It feels pretty snug to me, leaving that much space. We'll see once I get to riding how it goes, but so far so good. And here you have your power on switch, power off, power on. So it just comes with 2 screws here to remove so that we can fit it right over here on the bar. Alright, so I had set up the power on and off switch over here, but I am gonna put a horn on the bike, and I wanted to go here. So I went ahead and put on the power on and off switch over here. And I think that's gonna work out better, and I will only use it as needed. All right, so here we are, guys, and it appears that our battery is fully charged now. As you can see, the light is green on the charger itself, and that means that the battery should be 100%, and we are ready to test this and go for a quick ride. All right, guys, so here we have it. Here is the battery pack all set up. I went ahead and I used one zip tie over here, and because of the grooves on the battery pack, I think it's gonna hold up pretty decent. It doesn't seem like it should come off. I have part of the cable coming up here, through here, out to the headlight. And here is the headlight shot for you guys before I turn it on. I think this bike is looking even more complete now. Yeah, and I'm really digging this bike, man. Now with the headlight, it looks even better, I think. Can't wait to get it on the road. And we are gonna go ahead and test this right now. So here, the headlight at the moment is off. When we hit the power switch, we get the halo turned on. And if you turn on the headlight, that's what you will get. So far, it looks very, very nice, man. I have enough space that I can move it up and down, which I'm kind of glad about that. So, hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Let me know what you think of this video. There's the halo by itself. I may not be able to get a very good shot here on camera for you guys, but trust me, it looks very, very nice. Wow. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Check out my next video where I will be showing you guys how they look on the road. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the like, and if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more, subscribe. Until next time, peace.